Okay, so today right now we're playing Animal Jam, and I am a new jammer, I guess. I've played this before, but it's been quite a while. Here, let's dress up because, well, let's dress up. I like this little thing because you can just, do whatever you want. Here in Jamma, everyone has their own unique style. Let's start by customizing yours. I love this part because you can, change it up. Make whatever you want. The reason I chose a tiger, you can choose. The reason I chose a tiger was because I just really like. Oh, thank you. Is because I just tend to really like tigers because I'm fierce like a tiger. I'm awesome like a tiger. I am a tiger. Yep, that's me. I make perfect sense. Oh my gosh. 14 minutes left. I don't care about that. I just love tigers. You can't blame me for that. No, I don't like you like that. Why would you want X eyes? I mean, that's kind of creepy right there. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, I don't like looking at these. They're creepy. That's actually okay. I like it. I'm gonna make my eyes yellow. I like that color yellow. It makes, no, it doesn't work. But blue does. Blue does. Blue works. Ooh, that's beautiful. Okay, let me just go get charger done because charger. I tend to like the name Sparkles, so that's why I always choose Sparkles. Because it fits me. It just works. My personality. Sparkles are my favorite color. No, it's not a color, but I mean, why not? Okay, so now we go to pattern work. Okay, so let's do something. I don't like no pattern. I like swirls. Swirls are fun. We can hit a roll, roll. I like singing to them now. So, learn that. My favorite song is probably Wildest Dreams. Say you remember me, standing in the lights, just staring at the sunset, babe. Her lips and rosy cheeks, say it to me again, even if it's just pretend. I love it. I'm in love with this game, so I'm gonna do this. Oh wow, I know what you mean. Okay, hey look, free stuff. Okay, I'll take it. Slow. Click to get the treasure. Oh, gosh. Yeah, I already clicked it, dumbos. What did I get? Oh my gosh. Yeah, I know I got. Wow, that's a lot of gems. I'm the luckiest person on earth. Oh. My school's doing Annie for a play, and I want to be Annie, but I'm not old enough. Yeah, look at all of those gems. How many did you find? Lucky you. You'll always find more fun ways to get gems as you explore Jamma. I'm just gonna skip this. It's boring. I like playing dress up, that game or whatever they call it here, but it's fun. Because kids who like dress up, and I like to dress up because I'm stylish-ish. It's not like I go to school and dress every day, but I don't hear the music. I like this. It's nice. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, it's called Best Dressed. Because I have this app on my iPod. Yes, you can download it. And so for like MSP and stuff, Best Dressed, yeah. It's called the same thing, and it's the same idea, but it's like an app form. And oh yeah, I'm like really good at this. I always get first, second, or third. Only once I've gotten fourth, and it's crazy because I've only gotten it once. Oh, that's how they get up on the app. There's like, it's differenter. It's differenter. Wow, my grammar is amazing right now. Okay, dress your best. Practice dressing your best while you wait for the next round. Okay. Oh my gosh. Working. Okay. So, oh, this is creepy. Oh, look at me. I'm so beautiful. Man, I'm gonna wear something so creepy. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh, no, that doesn't work. No. Heck no, that doesn't work. Oh, thank God. I hope to try this. It's gonna be hilarious. Oh, I'm ruining my personality. I'm just ruining myself right now. Completely. Oh, I know there's a lot of stuff for creepy. I hate jokers. That would be creepy for me. Jester hat, whatever. I hate clowns. I have to say I hate clowns. What would the tiara look like? I like tiaras, so I wouldn't mind tiaras. Beautiful. Okay, I want to see myself in antlers one day. I do. Okay. New theme. Dress up like a warrior. Ooh, I know what I'm gonna do. Okay, so, I hate that you get something different every time. It was like a warrior thing. This works. It's cool. Rare hockey mask. And then, like, what's down here? We can have scary. Oh, wait, what's this? Sword. I'm looking good, friend. So I have Musical.ly. If you want to check me out on Musical.ly, I have Musical.ly. So I have Musical.ly, and my Musical.ly is Little Dancer 21 because I love the number 21. And well, it's Little _ Dancer 21, and then my actual name on it's Lisa because I'm doing good for Musical.ly. I don't have very many fans, but I have like 700 and something likes. Okay, let's see who I should vote for. Oh, my eyes hurt. What the? Oh my gosh, this is so bright. I don't know what I'm gonna vote you. I don't know. Oh, this is so glitchy. Oh, my eyes hurt. And now the winners. Okay. I've never played. Who won? Dress up most like a leader. Oh, I'm good at leader. Okay, that's good. Oh, wow, we're almost at our limit, so let's just go crazy. I'm gonna like press everything I can. Most like a leader. No, it's not leader. What they gonna do with the big fat butt? Oh, I shouldn't have said that, but whatever. Yeah, Dracula's a leader, right? Tell me, please. I don't know.